Hello guys. In previous session we are creating the our first application by using the Visual Studio. In this session we are creating with the command prompt. For this we need to open the command prompt in the administrative mode. First of all we need to check that Cordova was installed perfectly or not. For this we need to write the Cordova and hit enter. In my case it was not installed perfectly. In your case maybe installed perfectly. Don't worry if it was not installed perfectly. You need to open the directory where you install the Cordova application. In my case it was within the Z drive and the temp directory. Under the node modules you need to open the .bin directory and copy the entire path, and we need to add this path into the system's environment variable. For this you need to open the system property. Click on the environment variables, select the path, click on edit, new, paste, okay. And now you need to restart the command prompt in the admin mode. And now when you hit the Cordova command, it will produce the some information which include the alias options and the some of the example. For creating the Cordova application we need to first of all switch to the directory where we want to store the our new application. I am stored within the Z drive, so I am switch to Z. And now I am writing code for the creating Cordova application. That is Cordova create my dear com.app.demo my app. Here the Cordova create is a command. My dir is a directory where I am going to store this application. com.app.demo is the package that is used to uniquely identify the application, and my app is the name of the my application. Now we need to hit the enter button, which take the some time, and my dir folder. Here we got the message new Cordova project was created. Let's open in the file explorer where it was saved. Udemy Cordova coding. That's it. This map was created by the Visual Studio and MyDir was created by the command prompt. In command line interface there is no platform by default. You need to add manually. For this we need to write Cordova platform add Android and hit enter button. Oops, I am getting error because of I am not within the Cordova app. So first of all you need to move to the my directory where the original Cordova project was stored. Sorry, cd .slash my. And here you need to write the Cordova platform add Android. And we got the message Android project was created. with the 6.00, and it fetch the plugin whitelist. We can also see it in the file explorer. Now Android directory was created, which was not previously present. It takes some time because it created the lots of directories within that, and also download the some files from the internet by using the npm. To build an application, we need to use Cordova build command by specifying the platform name. In our case, it is Android. Therefore, we write Cordova build Android. Which display the list of the predefined path for the Android and Java. If it was not there, then you need to set in the environmental variable. After some time, you receive the message build was successful. It take the 42 seconds in the my system, and it will generate the following APK within the platform Android build output APK and Android debug.apk. Let's see in the our directory Android build output and APK. This is the APK of the our Cordova project. To run this APK with the emulator, we need to write the Cordova run command. Its syntax is like Cordova run and the platform name. In our case, it was Android, and hit enter. It also takes the lots of time because the anti-emulator need to be a start. Here you can see that the our emulator was started. I am not set the emulator, so it was choose the default one, which was the Galaxy Nexus. The booting of the our emulator was complete, and it was now installing the our APK. You can see that the package name is that which we are specifying the Cordova create command. Finally, it was started. Here is the our Cordova application. By default, it take the icon of the Cordova. We can change it in later. This was the default application, which is the hello world type that we are created in the Visual Studio, or we are previously checked in the browser. My emulator is a little bit sluggish, but you can change its resolution by using the AVD. For this, you need to open the directory where you are stored the Android SDK. For this, I am storing the C drive 86 Android SDK, from which we need to change in the AVD manager, which will open the AVD, in which we can specify the device that we want to emulate, means the larger screen, smaller screen, and its resolution. In our case, the resolution was very poor. We need to select the this and click on the edit. It was now Galaxy Nexus, but you can target the any specific device. as per your requirement. I am not changing it now, so I am place on the cancel. What we are learning in this session. For creating application by using the command line interface, first of all we need to open the command prompt, then open the directory where we want to store our application, then use the Cordova create statement with the directory name, package name and the application name. By default, Cordova does not include any platform. We need to add the manually in a platform in which our application will be run. For this, we need to use the Cordova platform add command. Then we need to build the application by using the Cordova build command. And for run the application, we need to use the Cordova run command. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please contact me because this is one of the most typical session of this series.